In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate your Walmart family mobile phone and SIM card online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect on the page, and a few tips to avoid common hiccups along the way. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. In the search bar, type Activate Walmart Family Mobile. This is the quickest way to land on the correct activation page without hunting through menus. In the search results, look for the official link that mentions Activate your phone or device. Click that. If you see multiple results, choose the one that clearly comes from the official Walmart Family Mobile site. Once you click through, be ready to wait a moment. The activation page can take longer than usual to load, especially during busy times. That's normal. Try not to hit the back button or refresh repeatedly, just give it a bit of time to finish loading. Using a stable Wi-Fi connection can make this part smoother. When the page is ready, you'll see options for different types of activations. Choose the option that says a family mobile phone, then click Continue. This tells the site you're activating a phone that's part of the family mobile lineup rather than bringing a device from another carrier. Next, you'll be asked to accept the terms and conditions. Click I accept. It's always a good idea to scan through the terms so you understand things like plan details and any fees, but the key action here is confirming your agreement so you can move on. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your SIM information. When it says type your SIM card, it's referring to the SIM card number, sometimes called the ICCID. You can usually find this printed on the SIM card itself or on the card it was attached to in the packaging. It's typically a long string of digits. Enter it exactly as shown without spaces or dashes. Double check for common mistakes like mixing up 0 and O or 1 and I. If the site flags the number, carefully recheck each digit. After you've entered the SIM number, click Continue. At this point, the site will validate your information and guide you through the remaining on-screen prompts. Keep the page open, give it a moment to process, and follow any instructions you see until you reach confirmation that the activation has begun. That's all you need for this part of the setup. If the page takes time, stay patient and make sure your SIM number is entered correctly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you activate your Walmart Family mobile service